Back in 2018, when I moved here to New Brunswick, I was not able, or I did not make a research on the various retirement funds available to me. And as a result, I was not able to prepare and take advantage of the various retirement funds, plans that are available, that are able to essentially help me and propel me to reach my financial freedom faster. Now, this mistake is something that I have learned, and I would like to share this learning with you. In the coming weeks, I will publish a series of the various investment funds or registered and non-registered savings accounts that every single individual can take advantage of, and therefore will propel every single one to achieve that financial goal the fastest possible way. Hello everyone, this is Ricey and welcome to my channel, The Quest for Wealth. I do hope to see you in the next videos that I will publish. We all need to understand what this registered savings accounts are, non-registered savings account, RSP, TFSA. There are enormous amounts of terms that we have to learn. Thank you for coming to my channel and subscribing, comments, likes. Thank you very much indeed. I certainly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next series of the various investment funds that we can invest in order for us to achieve that financial goals that we have been looking for.